How to remove Instagram account from other devices. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can remove your Instagram account from other devices. Now, to remove your Instagram account from other devices, first make sure your application is updated to the latest version. Once you open up the application, you shall get an interface somewhat like this. Tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then next you want to tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen. Under it, you want to head into the first option, settings and privacy, and you can see the first option, account center. You want to head into account center option. Here under account settings, you can see the password and security, right? You want to simply tap on password and security, and here you can see security checks option, and you can see where you are logged in. Tap on that particular option, and here it'll ask you to choose an account. If you have multiple accounts connected, then you want to choose the particular account that you wish to log out from another device. Then there you'll be able to see all the logins. There you can see it's logged in on Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus and unknown device, that is generally the web. Then you can see A73 5G and such. You want to simply tap on that particular device there, and then tap on logout and confirm the logout. If you wish to simply log out from all the other devices, scroll down below, tap on select devices to log out, tap on select all option, then tap on logout, or you can select multiple by simply tapping. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.